Alright, you anime fans out there and PC gamers, this one is for you. ASUS just revealed one of the wildest gaming collabs that we've seen in quite some time, being the Hatsune Miku lineup. And it's not just a cute little sticker drop. They have gone all in with custom hardware, accessories, even teasing us with a GPU. Let's start with the Hatsune Miku Edition A23 chassis. This was officially launched on the 11th of April and it's freaking stunning. The case featuring a Miku silhouette illustration along with perforated music notes and even a tie-shaped headphone hanger. This seems to be one of the most detailed anime cases we've seen in quite some time. And here's where it gets spicy. A fully themed B850 motherboard, a TX98 keyboard, a TX Mini gaming mouse, a TX301 headset, a 360 LCD AIO, and an RTX 5060 Ti. Heck, there's even a gaming router. So this isn't just a themed gaming case which ASUS has put together. This is somewhat of almost a full ecosystem. And honestly, it looks freaking amazing. Whether you're a hardcore Miku fan or you're just into unique PCs and anime themed PCs, having a system like this would be somewhat of a flex. This hasn't been pushed out globally yet, and I am hoping to see this come out in all of the markets. We'll have to see, but it does look freaking cool. Let me know in the comments, would you build a full-on battle station with Miku? Or is it not for you? Personally, I would love to build this thing.